What's up, YouTube? Blacked Out Bandit back with another video. This is going to be a quick one, and I got a little surprise and treat for you. This is my buddy's bike. This is a 2021 Ultra Limited. You can tell by the no clutch reservoir. And yeah, he liked mine so much he had to get his own. Reason it's here is I'm going to be putting on a set of Harley-Davidson fog lights, which that'll be a different video. And then here's my bike. It's the two together. His doesn't have a stage 1 on it, so just stock air filter, stock exhaust, whole 9 yards. You guys know mine. I've got stage 1 with Rinehart's, and the video just before this one I installed a Fuel Moto Jackpot 2:1:2 head pipe behind this heat shield. Looks stock, but it's not. This video we're going to do a quick comparison between a bone stock, what it sounds like, and then what mine sounds like. Alright. As you can see, he's got 1,085 miles. Here we go. Cold start. RPMs are up a little bit higher. Not very loud. Not very loud at all. Don't want to rev it too high because it is still a little cold start. Hasn't fully warmed up. Now, here's mine with a cold start. Make sure my radio is all the way down. Can't have that copyright, you know. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So, here's mine, cold start. If you're wearing headphones, beware. So, very big difference between stock and not stock. So, let me know what you guys think. You guys want to see these two bikes together more? You know, what kind of videos you want to see or whatnot? Like I said, this is just a quick one. Got all the same lights and all that good stuff down there on both of them. His tour pack light is coming in, same one as mine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit the like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You guys know what to do. Do it. Don't make me come find you. Alright, y'all. Be safe. Keep rubber side down. We'll catch you on the next one.